In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the volume bubbles indicator by QuantAlgo on TradingView. Understanding where institutional money is flowing is crucial for any trader. This indicator uses adaptive percentile thresholds across multiple look-back windows to identify statistically significant volume clusters, helping you spot trend accelerations and potential reversals before they happen. Let's dive into how to set it up. First, once you are in TradingView, add the indicator to your chart. You'll immediately see bubbles of different sizes labeled small, medium, or big. To customize these, open the Settings menu. From there, you need to choose your detection method. If you want to see pure activity, stick with volume only. If you're looking for aggressive buying or selling pressure, try delta only, or the volume plus delta mode for the most precise signals. Next, let's look at the consensus logic. By default, the indicator compares volume across short, medium, and long look-back windows. I recommend setting the consensus to majority. This ensures that at least 2 of those 3 windows agree the volume is significant, which filters out random noise. You can also adjust how the indicator colors the bubbles. Choosing delta direction will color bubbles based on net buying or selling pressure, while candle direction follows the bar's close. One of the best features is the diagnostic tooltip. Simply hover your mouse over any bubble to see exactly why it triggered, including the specific volume to average ratio and which look-back windows pass the threshold. Finally, don't forget to use the built-in alert system. You can set notifications for big clusters specifically, so you never miss a major institutional move even when you aren't staring at the screen. By following these steps, you can use volume bubbles as a powerful confirmation layer for your existing strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more technical trading guides.